Hello, my name is Haythman Denno. This is my partner Yaseen and Habawwal. We're both fourth year students studying communication engineering in Sumaya University here in Amman, Jordan.
Hello again. Our project name is called BrainWaves Controlled Car. And the reason why we chose this project is that we wanted to find a new, unique and fun way of controlling objects.
Alright, so nowadays people are always trying to find the new way to control objects. So you have devices now that respond to your voice commands or your hand gestures. You have the famous motion capture camera that responds to your motion of the body. So we thought, why not use our brainwaves?
So brainwaves are generated by neurons, and these neurons are communicate with each other by electrical changes. And these changes can be detected using an EEG headset or cap. Now different parts of the brain emit different types of signals, which represent different types of activities. One of these activities is attention. And attention can be affected by different types of signals such as alpha or gamma. We studied these signals and we learned certain techniques to increase or decrease the user's attention. So basically the main idea of our project is to control the speed of the car using the user's attention.
Alright, so this is the EEG headset that we purchased. It's manufactured just to display the EEG signals on a computer through a radio frequency dongle. Now this is the RF dongle that we got. We disassembled it in order to connect it to our circuit. And in order to connect it to our Arduino board, we used a logic level converter, which basically just connects 3.3 voltage level to 5 DC level in order for Arduino to detect it. Now once the Arduino is synchronized with our headset, we were able to analyze the signals and write a code on the Arduino environment to logically divide the attention into 10 cases. We connected the Arduino to our LED bar graph to display the user's attention. So the more attention, the more LEDs will be turned on. We connected the LED bar graph to our PIC 16F877A, which can detect different voltage level on its pins depending on how many LEDs are turned on. So the more LEDs are turned on, we wrote a code on the PIC to output a different PWM duty cycle depending on how many LEDs are turned on. So more LEDs turned on, the higher the PWM duty cycle will be. So this is the car track that we got. It's usually connected through this handheld device, which is basically just a potentiometer. So the more you press, the more the current lets through, and the faster the car will go. So we wanted to replace this with our brain.
Now we will show you a demo of our project. As you can see here, Haytham is wearing the EEG headset that we use in our project. And here is the LED bar that displays Haytham's attention. Now if you put the car on the track, you can see here that the car is slowing down or going faster according to Haytham's attention and according to how many LEDs are on. And as I mentioned before, we learned some techniques to increase or decrease the attention. So to increase Haytham's attention, we will ask him now a question. So Haytham, please, can you calculate 18 by 16? As you can see here, there's more LEDs are on, and the faster the car is going now. Now, if you want to slow the car down, now we will ask him another question. So Haytham, please, can you remember something that happened to you in the past? Now you can notice that the car is slowing down clearly, and there's what less LEDs are on. Now, as you can see, and you will notice that stress is an important factor in our process, in this project. Now, for the application of our project, the main application for our project is to, as we mentioned before, is to replace the way that we control objects in general.
Alright, so one of the applications that Yaseen mentions is that we want to replace, we will control a military quadcopter using our brainwaves. So different actions of a user emits different types of EEG headset signals. So if, for example, if I wanted to move my right hand, it will give a certain wave, and we can use that wave to control the direction of the quadcopter to go right. Now that project was our first idea for the project that we got. But being that this project is just for our course and the low time frame and budget that we had, we weren't able to do it. But it's a project that me and Yaseen are both passionate about and want to continue further on in the future.
Thank you, and we hope that our presentation has your attention. Thank you.
Thank you.